Okwayo okurabura n'omurango Dickson Collins Kateshumba ori omu isengero wa municipality ya Shema n'obyabanabugana n'abebembezi hamwe n'abahangu mu kuchondoza ebizibu ebirikuteganisa amarwariro n'okuteekaho buryo kureeba oku bakubaasa kukorwaho na munonga endwara ezitarikuturirana ezeresize karungu omuri Shema.
The health center, health matters are not just about medicine. It is more about many things. One, proactive action, like what the doctor is saying, teaching people how do you live a healthy life.
Bimwe ebishangirwe birikubateganisa n'abakozi bake omunyeshengero yashobora kuba ariyo nibija kukorwaho omwaka ogu aho meya yashongera n'omuranga gwo kushomesa obukiiko.
Human resource, I think Aboy is supposed to have 77 staff, but they are less than I think 20. I'm not mistaken.
Issues affecting health zikabye ziri nyingi, especially nka honorable ya gamba administration noreba bashaho we nanka nabaine knowledge yo ku administeringa embazi nachi konkane twenda kwisha kureba ngo humix zitu twazi training kandi zaba fully involved mu health facilities zitu.
Ebizibe byona biretire abari kuchondoza na munonga hanshonga z'ebyamagara bajware ngufu kwika hansi kumanya ebirikuretera abantu batafuna bujanjabe omu marwariro.
We have got several people who have never tested for anything. So it is, I think, our work as we go out, go to the field, make sure everybody accesses tests that are required for their well-being. Thank you very much.
N'abarwire bashasha obuhereza mebyo mu marwariro burumu kuko abantu tubakumanya uko kutunga ningo kuhikayo. So twizire kuhika munda kuhike umbantu abarukushasha babase kutugambira kuba babasa kutunga obuhereza batakutunga kikubaremesa kutunga neki.
Okuchondoza oku tukorasije n'abanyadini kurugirira ahari Professor Silver Bahedeka ori chairman wa Shema District Community Advisory Board egenderire kumaraho no ko bujanjabe bwabusha bw'endwara ezitarikuturana.
Going to involve the community must be aware of what's going on and be represented in one way or another in whatever you are going to do.
Enshongezi abebembezi ahari meya basimire aho omunyeshengero yashobora kiroto ky'ebyamagara omuri Shema hamwe n'ihanga okutwariza hamwe.
Bakuza kuzumbyaro to help on administering the project. Kandi nikirungi habo kuba abantu bitu nibija kutunga kumanya ahaburwiro kubashasha. Nitwija kutambira rather than okukiza.
You avoid diagnosis, but if you have to go to diagnosis, where do you go? Can they detect? Do they have the right equipment? Then from diagnosis now to the medicine, do you have sufficient medicines? Are they stored properly?
Bimwe ombegendererwa 17 ebya Uganda ekyakashatu aharizo no kugira ngo buri muntu agire amagara marungi n'obugwaje aho abanyashema bebemberwa mu ishengero wabo hamwe na Professor Silver Bahendeka omuhango by'amagara batanikire hururu ya twende aho omuntu kwadora emwe buri mwaka ekaragurira aba batarikwebasa na munonga ahandwara ezitarikuturana aho emibazi yazo erikugura amino genjojo. Amakuru aga gashakwa Gerard Tugume omuri Shema.